For any Stevie fans, it's the 25th, I think, of October. Hey Stevie boy. Hiya. Just a minute. Let's sort him out, shall we? Hey? We go feed your brother. Come on. Hiya. Hello. Hiya. Come on then. So he's not having too much because when he takes off, he goes to fly, and he flies into that gate there. So come on, Stevie, get your dinner. Good boy, get your dinner. Get your dinner. Good lad. Yeah, son. That's it. You get your dinner. You're not a bit frightened of these cats. Good lad. Oh, you don't like the rain, do you? Steady. Steady. Up, 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 up. That was odd. Very odd. It was very odd.